Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a back tap button on your iPhone. So, let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now, under Accessibility, scroll down again and select Touch. On the Touch page, keep scrolling until you find an option called Back Tap. Go ahead and tap on it. Here, you'll see two options: Double Tap and Triple Tap. This feature allows you to trigger actions by tapping the back of your iPhone 2 or 3 times. For this tutorial, tap on Double Tap. You'll now see a list of actions you can assign, such as opening Control Center, locking the screen, or taking a screenshot. Scroll down and select Screenshot. Once selected, you can go back to the home screen. Now simply double tap the back of your iPhone near the Apple logo, and your phone will instantly take a screenshot. No buttons needed. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.